Today we're making bomb hot marshmallows. Perfect for 4th of July parties. One of the marshmallow and glue chocolate nuts.
Okay, dip it.
I did it.
Good job.
Where should I put it?
Thanks.
Maybe upside down?
Yep.
Then upside down. Once you have them dip the blue chocolate, allow them to cool. We're going to dip the bottom in red, that's the chocolate. You bought just like that, and then once you have the bottom on, dip the red chocolate, allow them to cool. Then cooling time to enjoy. Done time to enjoy this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.